guys, I have a beautiful picture to show you. Oh, two birds. Let me show you. This one is called Peter and this one is called Paul. What colour is Peter? That's right, he's red. And what colour is Paul? That's right, he's yellow. I'm going to sing you a very special story all about Peter and Paul. Look, two little birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. We'll say, bye bye Peter. So let's get Peter, come on. Peter. I'll put him there. Bye bye Paul. You coming? Come on then. There he is. And now, come back Peter. Come on. There we are. Put him back. Say, come back Peter. And now, come back Paul. Come on Paul. Jump up. Oh. There we go. Everybody say, come back Paul. And there we go. Whoa, what a good story. Let's do it again and you can help me. Are you ready? Two little birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Say, bye bye Peter. Come on, bye bye Peter. He's gone again. Say, bye bye Paul. Come on Paul. Come back Peter. Come on. Oh, there we go. And come back Paul. Come on Paul, let's go. And there he is. Boys and girls, Peter and Paul. Oh, I love... What? Yeah. Peter and Paul. Paul, where is he? Can you see? Oh, he's over here. Come on, Paul. Come on, please. Here we go. Are you ready? Say, come back, Paul. And we did it that time. Paul's back. Oh no. I think we need to do some magic. I tell you what we'll do. We'll cover it up. Here we are. And everybody, we're going to say, come back, Paul. Are you ready? Come back, Paul. And the magic words, abracadabra. Abracadabra. Let's see. Here we go. Whoop. Yay! We did it! We get... Uh-oh. Do you know what we need? A magic wand. I'll cover him up. Okay. And we've got the magic wand. So we're going to say, come back, Paul. Okay. That's good. Are you ready? He didn't come back. Or maybe he's somewhere else. Did he? He's where? On the wand? No, he's not there. No. What? No. He's not on the wand. If he was on the wand, I think... Up! Paul, what are you doing? Oh dear. Come on. I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's take him. Come on, Paul. We'll put him very carefully on the magic hanky. We'll pick him up. We'll take the picture. Everybody say, come back, Paul. Come on, come on. And if we're lucky, boys and girls, is he there? Is he there? Is he there? Oh, he's there. You did it. Peter and Paul, they're back. Well done. Oh, well, I'll put that picture back there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a really good day. Bye bye.